What's up guys, Cammy here, and we're making slime. So the things we'll need was the slime kit. I don't know how many bowls, 7 bowls. Scissors to cut open things. Let's do this thing! Oh no, I must have written in the box. Colors. There we go. Anything else in the box? No. So I need the instructions.
Read them out loud.
I'm trying to find. My cameraman is going to be either of these.
Follow these 4 rules. Do not eat slime goop.
Okay,
Brand
we know
slime.
that.
Careful not to splash any of the solution in your eyes.
Got it.
Wash hands thoroughly after each use. Be sure to cover your work area as making slimy goop can get a bit messy.
I'll do that. Okay, so let's back. So
How to make lava slimy goop.
Okay, what do we start with?
Fill 1 cup. So one of those.
One of those or one of these? Which one?
One of those.
These?
Yep. Fill 1 cup with 18. Wow, that's a very precise number of fluid ounces. 18 mils of warm water, and use the mixing stick to mix the whole bottle of clear goo.
In one?
In one. Mix thoroughly and set aside.
What do you mean right now? Now we're gonna fill it up with some warm water. Follow me! Is this correct amount?
Now it's warm.
Okay, so where do we fill it up to?
18.
18, where is the 18 on this? There's no 18 on this, bro.
Let me see. Fluid ounces. So you got it. Jeez. Talk about precision. You got to fill it between 18 and 20.
What's 18? So
Right between 15 and 20.
that's too much. Is that okay?
Let me see.
So we pour it where?
In one of the containers.
Okay, and then what?
Empty the whole bottle of glue
This whole bottle of glue?
into the water.
You sure?
That's what it says.
Yeah. Holy crap. Oh my god. It's farting. It's farting. Get every single thing in it. Okay, I think we're done. Still dripping. Okay, I think we're done.
Stir it with the stick.
With the stick.
With the stick. Now it says to set it aside.
For how many minutes?
Until we move on, until we're ready for it.
So what did that mean?
Lay out the remaining 6 cups and empty a single paint color from the provided paint strip into each one. Then take the glue mixture set aside.
What do we do with this
We're not there yet.
powder?
Then take the glue mixture set aside from earlier and pour equal amounts to each cup of paint. Mix each color thoroughly so the solution has a consistent color. Slowly pour a small amount into each paint cup while stirring until your slimy goop is formed. Slowly, there's slimy goop, people. There's a typo. Slowly pour a small amount into each cup. A small amount of what? I'm guessing because you're talking about cornstarch, it's a small amount of cornstarch. Okay.
Yes.
So now it says to take. All right, put that
Oh my
aside.
god, it's getting dark. And it's like 1:05.
Okay, so put that aside. Now you're going to take your paint and you're going to empty each one in each container.
Every single drop in that paint cup. Every single drop.
That's what it says.
Start with purple. One at a time. Is that all the paint that it has in there? Wow, can we use something to like take paint out of, like this thick on the end?
No. Okay. As much as you can.
That's how I can do it. Okay, so purple. I'm watching Rosanna. If anybody knows about her channel, tell them in the comments below.
Rosanna who?
Pantino.
Oh.
That's how much paint I can get in there. Blue, done. That was a messy one. Okay.
Okay.
And we got a wiping space. There's a bubble. And then my finger's full of paint. Oh well, we're gonna wash them after.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I know we do this with a parent. Guys, it can get pretty messy. I'm here with a parent. My filmer man.
You're what?
My filmer man, my dad. Who wants a big fat hug? And a high five. I'm done. Now we're gonna go wash my hands, so follow me, guys. Come on. Come on. Now we're gonna do one thing until we have no more.
So one spoonful at a time in each one because it has to be equal.
One. One. One.
Okay, now it's
There you go. We're done. Now it
okay.
says to mix with this
Now
one.
it says to mix with the stir stick.
Oh, not the spoon.
Not this one. Mix each one with the stir stick so that they're all nice and mixed.
You can do a tie-dye. Why not with the spoon? The spoon can be... This doesn't do nothing. Did I get every
Hold on a second.
What?
I have a solution.
And we're mixing.
Through the magic of video.
Yeah, that's my dad. The one that's filming. I'm gonna do the last one.
I'll do the last one. You do the
Yes.
last one.
So I go faster than you.
Well, it goes faster than me. Well, okay.
Oh, this smells bad. Oh,
Oh, don't smell it.
but it does.
You gotta mix it with a wooden stick. Oh no. Now you done it. Hey.
Then you too.
Hey, I'm holding the camera.
I don't care. No, you're gonna cut up in the bag for
What's in the bag?
cornstarch.
Okay. Be careful, don't want to make a mess. Okay, kids, now this is the part where you want to have a parent help you because I'm going to measure out the cornstarch.
Please.
Well, she pours it into...
Or else it's going to be a big white mess on my face and on my dad's face.
Okay, grab your stir stick as per the instructions.
It's right here.
Mm-hmm. Says 18.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Hold
now
on.
you just made the mess.
That's okay. If I make the mess, then I'm the one responsible for
Cleaning it up.
cleaning it up. Which we're... Just be careful not to get anywhere. And yes, follow the instructions, kids, about it says like covering the area you're going to use to work. Because yeah,
And
cornstarch.
Use your cover your pants too.
Yeah, cornstarch.
I'm begging you, cover your pants. Or else they're gonna turn out messy in your hands, please.
Look at that. At the end, you get
This.
this slimy goop.
It works better with the spoon though.
I'll bet it does.
It does.
You know what cornstarch is used for?
To make it slimy.
To make it, well, what's it used for in cooking? What do we use cornstarch for? Do you know?
No.
We use it to make gravy.
Ew.
Yeah, it makes gravy nice and thick.
Ew. Don't want to know that. No, thank you.
What's
No.
wrong with having a nice rich thick gravy? When you put that on your roast beef or your poutine.
Is it supposed to go like this?
Yeah. Yep.
That's slimy. I think it's slimy enough.
I think it's slimy enough, eh?
Yes, but we don't have that much purple.
Nice cornstarchy mess happening here.
And it's Daddy that's gonna clean that up because he made it. So now,
You got cornstarch in every single one.
okay, so this one's ready too.
That one's ready too. I'm gonna just put that aside.
Oh my God, you made a cornstarch mess.
Yep, that's what it is.
That's why you gotta cover the whole surface that you're working on. Mix it, Bowley. Mix it. Oh my God, this one's not turning into slime.
Yeah, it is. Stir.
No, it's not. It's turning more chunky.
Stir more chunky. Oh.
Do not put enough of that thing that we did.
Maybe I put in too much.
What?
Uh-oh.
What did you do? Oh wait,
Okay.
we still have glue.
I'm gonna save it.
We still have glue. We're gonna save it.
Hold on a second. Still got some more solution here, I think. Hold on.
Oh, really?
I think. Yeah, we got more solution.
Please work solution.
Otherwise we botched one of them. Uh-oh, fail.
Oh well.
Yeah, this one's, oh my God, this is a fail. This is not slime. You put in too much cornstarch, you get
This. Wait, I can turn it
You
into.
you get clumps.
Do we have shaving cream?
No. I know the next thing you're gonna say is gonna be like, oh, come on! Oh, Did I put too much? I hope not. Oh, this
Yeah, this turning into slime.
string is a slime? Okay, good. Good, I was worried there for a second.
Good, but it's hard to mix.
Yeah, well, it's slime. What do you expect it to be? Like soft and supple? No. It's
Okay, yeah, this is slime, Daddy. This is slime. We just fixed it.
Oh.
I know, it's good. Okay, I'm gonna use the red spoon for the paint, because
That's fine.
back in cornstarch. This is messy. What you gonna do about it? This smells bad. Oh yeah, this is slime. This.
I got slime here. Look at that. Ooh, slime.
I got some here. Okay, now what do we do?
Okay, now that everything is thoroughly mixed,
Yes.
pull each slime goop color out of their individual cups and layer them on top of each other. As you play, the colors will mix and have a rainbow effect. Ooh.
Okay, where do you want?
All right, so we got a whole bunch, all of that. Those are the tools of the fun. You got another container. Now you're gonna pull each of the slimy goop and
With
you're
your hands or with your spoon?
gonna use your hands. Slime.
Okay.
if you're able to. Let's see how messy this. Let's see how messy this gets.
Yeah. You don't need to put it on slow-mo.
At least you got it in the container. Okay, get the next color. I got four of 6 colors poured in.
Yeah, I know it's gonna be fun.
There you go.
Wait.
There you have rainbow slime.
Wait, I'm gonna do something fun. Swirl and do like a tie-dye. Like this. Like
There you go.
it's cool. And the swirlies. And then
But now you're just mixing it up. You're not making swirlies anymore. You're just blending all the colors together.
I know.
All right. So what happens?
Now what do we do?
That's it. Your slime is done. What happens if you pick it up and play with it?
Let me take cornstarch. Okay. It's too like sticky right now.
Oh yeah. What if you try to pick it up? What if you try to pick some up? Oh, it's not really slime now, is it? It's more like liquid goop.
But it's fun to play with. So this was a fail or a success? A fail.
I think real slime is supposed to be thicker than that, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, what we got is goop.
Look at this thing. It's going all over me.
It's all turning into one color.
It's turning gray, like.
Yeah. I think the slimy goop kit probably.
Wait, I can make farts. Wait, let me take more. I'll show you how to make the farts. So you rub it in your hands and then.
Well, so how do you rate this, Kemi? The slimy goop rainbow color from.
I rated like a fail.
That's a fail. All right.
But it's fun to play with. So a fail and a success.
This
Because it's really fun.
is why they say the cover to work area.
Yep.
All right.
And this is why they say keep a band beside you. In old times. Or else this...
Yes, the rainbow slime has now turned into some green goo.
I want to keep my hands like this. I have cement hands.
There you go.
I'm cement kid. Wait. Let me just cover up all the holes. Looks like I'm wearing gloves. Now it looks like I'm wearing gloves. And I gotta go eat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment what's your favorite animal. Peace out.